Allissa Haines, and I get to be on the Massage Therapy Foundation Marketing Committee. And today we're going to talk to President Ruth Werner about what's going to happen at the International Massage Therapy Research Conference in Boston in April of 2013. We've got this research conference coming up in Boston. There have been two research conferences previously with the MTF, is that correct?
That's right. It was in 2005 we did the first one, and it followed the AMTA convention in Albuquerque. And that actually was really one of the very first conferences specifically around complementary and alternative medicine. Then we did a follow-up 5 years later in Seattle, so that was in 2010. And then we have decided now in 2013 to really aim for a 3-year cycle on these conferences.
Nice. So why was there so much time between them?
Well, there were a number of things. One is we were, always a little bit ahead of the curve, but our 2005 conference seemed to really generate a lot of energy. It took a little time for new research projects to, to come to fruition. So we felt that the foundation wasn't in a place to support a conference, and also that we needed time for more research to accrue to present to get us to the 2010 meeting. That's no longer true. There's an awful lot of work happening in massage therapy now, both in the United States and internationally, and there have been a lot of factors contributing to that. But I don't think we'll ever slow down again. I think that we're riding the crest of a wave, and it's going to go for a long, long way.
Sweet. So it's called the International Conference, the International Massage Therapy Research Conference. So internationally, what's going on? Where are we going to see people coming from?
Well, we will be having representation within speakers and attendees, we hope, from all over the world. Certainly a lot of representation from Canada, from England and Greece. We have one of our panelists we hope will be able to join us from Australia. It's also an invitation or a recognition of the fact that research from all over the world is happening, although those researchers can't always travel to the United States. And some of the findings that we'll be presenting, and particularly on day 3, which we'll talk about in a little bit, we'll be focusing on the fact that as our profession in the United States moves forward, we really need to be creating connections with researchers from all over the world.